In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Miro boards cleaner. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If your boards feel crowded or hard to follow, a few simple habits can dramatically reduce visual clutter, improve readability, and create a clear path for every participant. Let's start by structuring the board with frames and sections. Treat frames as the main building blocks, like rooms in an open floor plan. Set up distinct areas for activities such as icebreakers, brainstorming, and action items, so people always know where a task lives. Name each frame clearly. Think 1. Agenda, or 2. Research findings, and use the Frames panel in the bottom right corner, or press M, as your interactive table of contents. Establish a logical flow with arrows, numbers, or headers so everyone knows where to start and where to go next. A left-to-right sequence is intuitive. Next, prioritize visual consistency. Inconsistencies make a board look messy instantly. Stick with the same typography, font sizes, and arrow styles throughout. Only switch styles when you want to signal meaning, such as using specific colors for different themes. Be strategic with color. Keep backgrounds calm, and reserve brighter tones for editable, core elements. Check contrast for accessibility. Black text on white sticky notes is easy to read. Design at 100% zoom and use default sizes so everything scales cleanly. Now let's tidy and align content. Manual nudging burns time and rarely ends aligned. Instead, select any scattered stickies, shapes, or cards and hit the layout icon, the 4 dots in the context menu, to snap them into a clean grid or stack. Maintain consistent spacing. Miro's snap to grid helps keep rhythm. Protect important pieces by locking them. Use lock or protected lock on instructions, templates, titles, and background shapes so collaborators can't move them during workshops. Finally, minimize clutter. Delete outdated items, resolve old comments, and hide frames you're not using. Enhance with visuals, not noise. Add simple icons or emojis to provide quick cues without heavy text. If you need imagery, choose high-quality photos over low-resolution screenshots. And avoid over-visualization. Skip excessive grid lines, legends, and arrows. With these practices, your Miro boards will feel structured, consistent, and easy to navigate, so your team can focus on ideas, not the interface. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.